Hello, well, you join A Gifted Amateur today in week 2 of England's COVID-19 lockdown. And like many people, we are making the most of the fresh food we've got in the house so nothing goes to waste. So this evening it's carrots, potatoes, lots of lovely things like that. Plus we had onion. So to go with my husband's chicken and my vegetarian haggis, yep, I kid you not, we're having a savoury white onion sauce. Now the recipe, as ever, is on my website, Agiftedamateur. That's the recipes page, and down the bottom is the best onion sauce. So this recipe uses some butter. I use goat's butter, and that's melting in there. We're going to have chopped onion. We're also going to have some good vegetable stock, goat milk, because I prefer goat milk. In here is some flour, just plain flour, and some mustard powder. And we'll use salt and pepper. So not many ingredients, which is good. So the first thing, once we've melted the butter, is to add the onions, and they fry for quite a long time. They're going to take around 20 to 25 minutes to cook, and that's so that the finished sauce, get rid of some of that onion skin, isn't crunchy when you eat it, because the idea is that the onions are cooked, so they're gonna be brought just to the sizzling point, and then I'm going to turn down the heat so that they cook very gently for 25 minutes. So I'll just let that get up to temperature. Right, the onions have had 25 minutes, so they're cooked. They've been stirred regularly just to make sure that they don't stick to the pan or begin to brown. So those are perfect. So I will leave the heat as it is. Whilst that's been cooking, I've prepared the vegetable stock. So next to go in is the flour and mustard. Mix that in. Don't season the sauce just yet. And the first thing to get added is the milk. And I'll do that a little at a time so that we get a smooth sauce. Now all that is in, and we're happy that it's a nice smooth sauce at this stage. Let's turn the heat up, and we're going to do the same thing now with the vegetable stock, which is added a little bit at a time. Left to do is season this and taste it. Mix that in. A chance to get all the way through it, that seasoning.